In this video, I'm reviewing Hulu Plus Live TV. We will cover the massive channel lineup, the real value of the Disney bundle, and the hidden catch regarding screen limits that catches almost everyone off guard. Then we will clear up the massive confusion regarding the no ads plan because it does not mean what you think it means. By the end, you will know exactly if this is the ultimate cable replacement or just an overpriced bundle. Let's get into it. Part 1, the basics. If you are brand new to this, let me explain what this actually is. Most people know Hulu as the app where you watch the bare or old episodes of Modern Family. That is the on-demand side. But this service is different. This is a full replacement for your cable box. You don't need a guy to come to your house and drill holes in the wall. You don't need to rent a box for $10 a month. It all runs through your internet connection. You download the app on your smart TV, your Roku, your Fire Stick, or even your phone. When you open it up, you are not just seeing a library of movies. You're seeing a live guide, just like the one you grew up with. You can scroll through and watch ABC, NBC, ESPN, HGTV, and Fox News right as they happen. It is live television, but it lives inside the Hulu app you probably already use. Part 2, the good stuff. All right, so let's start with the reason why most people sign up for this. It is the bundle. There is simply no other service that offers this much content in one single subscription. When you pay for Hulu Live, you're not just getting the live channels. They include the entire Disney Plus library. So that is all the Marvel movies, Star Wars, and all the kids stuff. And they also throw in ESPN Plus. That gives you tons of exclusive sports like UFC fight nights, soccer, and college games that are not on regular TV. If you were to buy a different live TV service like YouTube TV or Sling, and then you paid for Disney Plus and ESPN Plus separately, you would be spending significantly more money. So if you're a family that already uses Disney apps, the match here is incredibly strong. Now, the other big positive here is the DVR. It used to be pretty bad, but they finally fixed it. You now get unlimited cloud DVR storage. That means you can record as many shows, movies, and games as you want. There's no cap on how many hours you save. The recordings stay in your library for 9 months. Unless you are a hoarder who needs to keep a football game from 3 years ago, 9 months is plenty of time for 99% of people. Also, the channel lineup is solid. In almost every area, you get your local channels. That means you can watch your local news on ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox without needing a separate antenna. Part 3, the deal breakers. However, we need to talk about the things that might make you cancel. The biggest deal breaker for families is the screen limit. By default, you can only watch on 2 screens at the same time. Think about that. If you're watching football in the living room and your kids are watching Bluey on an iPad, that's it. If a third person tries to watch the news in the bedroom, they get locked out. Most other services give you 3 streams or let you pay a small fee for more. Hulu does have an unlimited screens add-on, but it is expensive. It is an extra monthly fee on top of an already high bill. It feels like a hidden tax just to use the service in a normal household. The other big annoyance is the home network rule. Hulu Live TV is designed to be used at home. They track your IP address. If you try to use your TV device like a Roku or Fire Stick at a vacation home or a hotel, it often won't work. You can change your home location, but you can only do it a few times a year. If you travel a lot or have a second home, this service is a headache compared to the competition. Part 4, the experience. Now, let's talk about actually using it every day. The user interface is a bit of a mixed bag. If you have used regular Hulu, you know what to expect. It is very visual with big tiles and lots of colors. But when it comes to live TV, it can feel a little cluttered. Finding the live guide sometimes takes too many clicks. And when you're in the guide, it has this habit of showing you your recent channels first instead of the full channel list. You have to click over just to see what is on. Also, the navigation is not the snappiest. On some devices, there's a noticeable delay when you click on a show. Instead of just playing the channel immediately, it often takes you to a details page first where you have to click watch live again. It adds friction to the experience that you don't feel with a traditional cable remote. Part 5, quality and reliability. All right, so when it comes to picture quality, it is generally good. Most channels stream in 720 or 1080p, which is standard for broadcast TV. If you have good internet connection, the picture is sharp and looks great on a big 4K TV. However, reliability can be hit or miss depending on the day. During massive live events like the Super Bowl or the NBA Finals, some users report buffering or quality drops. It seems like their servers can get overwhelmed when millions of people tune in at once. It is not constant, but it happens enough that people actually complain about it. Now, another thing, we also need to clear up the no ads confusion. This is the number one complaint I see. You can pay extra for the Hulu no ads plan, but you need to understand this, that only remove ads from the Hulu on-demand library, shows like The Handmaid's Tale or The Bear. It does not remove ads from live TV. You cannot skip commercials on a live broadcast of Monday Night Football or The Bachelor. That is just how TV works. Do not pay for the upgrade expecting a commercial-free live experience because you will be disappointed. Part 6, price and competition. All right, let's talk money. This service is not cheap. The price has crept up steadily over the years. We're now looking at a price point that is dangerously close to traditional cable. You're paying nearly $90 a month for the base plan with ads. If you want no ads in a library, you're pushing toward $100 a month. The main competitor here is YouTube TV. And honestly, YouTube TV is a better piece of technology. It is faster, their interface is cleaner, and they have key features like multi-view where you can watch 4 sports games at once. Hulu does not have that. However, YouTube TV does not include Disney Plus or ESPN Plus. If you subscribe to YouTube TV and then added those apps separately, you would be paying way more than the Hulu bundle. So the math really does come down to how much you value the Disney ecosystem. Part 7, the verdicts. So, is Hulu Plus Live TV worth it? Well, if you are a hardcore sports fan who needs to watch 4 games at once, or if you travel constantly and want to watch TV in hotels, then you should probably skip it. Save your money. The interface is too slow and the restrictions are annoying. Go with YouTube TV instead. But if you are a parent who is already paying for Disney Plus and you want one simple bill that covers everything, your live sports, your local news, and movies for the kids, then yes, it is the gold standard for family value. You get a massive amount of content for the price, and as long as you can live with the interface quirks, it is a solid cable replacement. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. The link to sign up to Hulu will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.